Hi, by the way, this is Bobby Technology and welcome to my new blog or mostly this is pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa mga open forum o debate. Di na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy pa, no? So it's all about the tinatawag na yung pinag-aawayan sa ngayon na parallel at bridge mode, magkasing lakas lang daw. So, yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa ngayon, okay? But before that, so pag-isuportahan po yung ating page sa ngayon. By the way, this is my page, Boy Light and Sound, and pag-share na lang po ng video, okay? And for my personal account also, plus follow na rin po Kenneth J.E.N., okay? Or Kenneth Juarez J.E.N. Alright, so sisimula na tayo, okay? Alright, so magsisimula tayo sa stereo mode, alright? So, disclaimer lang po, ang power amplifier mayroong tatlong setting or tatlong mode, right? So, first one is stereo mode, and second one is parallel mode, and the third one is the bridge mode. Alright? So, first one, tayo ng stereo mode. Alright, so may mga earbud kayo or earphone, pag nilagay mo sa tenga mo, automatic yung maririnig mo is stereo mode. May ma-synchronize ng left channel at right channel. So, ito yung mag-mixing or may blending, may play pong tinatawag yan. O yan po yung stereo mode. So, need mo ng 2 input at 2 output speaker para masatisfy sa tunog ng stereo. Okay? So, parallel mode. Parallel mode, simple po na yan. Simple po yan. Pag nagbe-video ka, kinanglan mo isang signal lamang. Kung gusto mong makakanta ng isang signal lamang, so lahat puro music instrumental. Yan po yung input. Example ng parallel or mono mode. Pag sinabing parallel mode, 1 input, 2 channel output. Dalawang tutugtog channel, pero isang signal yung papasok na input. Alright? Yun po yun. Hindi po malakas yun. Yung totoong malakas, ito yung number 3, bridge mode setup. Alright? Pag sinabing bridge mode setup, like for example, you have 500 watts speaker, left and right channel. Ang lalabas yun, pag sinet mo yan ng bridge mode, kukombine yan. So, ito automatically summarize will be total of 1,000 watts. Alright? So, pag malakas na yung output ng ang power amplifier mo, kasi naka-bridge, pag meron kang 1,000 watts na speaker, kayang-kaya ng bayuhin yun. Alright? Yun na po yun. Wala na pong iba. So, disclaimer lang po para doon sa mga baguhan at hindi po malakas yung parallel kasi sa bridge mode. Mas malakas po yung bridge mode. Combine 2 power wattage into 1 equivalent to power output times 2. Alright? It is total sum summarize of per channel wattage. Automatic yan. Alright? So, disclaimer lang po. Ang setting yan, dalawang positive. Hanapin nyo na lang yung positive tsaka negative dyan. Tsaka connect. Yun na po. So, this is Bobby Technology. Salamat sa support. Please follow, like, and share.